Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Rockstar Launcher error and how to fix it. Will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. What is Rockstar Launcher errors? Content errors found in the Rockstar Games Launcher particularly when attempting to play typically signifies a connection or authentication failure between your computer and Rockstar's online services or social club. This error prevents the launcher from properly verifying game ownership, authenticating your account, or accessing necessary online components to launch the game. It can arise from various factors including unstable internet connectivity, restrictive firewall settings, outdated or corrupted launcher files, or temporary issues with Rockstar's game servers. Understanding this error as primarily a communication breakdown is the first step in effective troubleshooting.
Step: verify internet connection and firewall exceptions. Content: begin by confirming that your internet connection is stable and functional. Test your connection by accessing other online services or websites. Next, investigate your firewall settings, as they frequently block the Rockstar Games Launcher or the components from communicating with Rockstar's servers. Navigate to your firewall settings. A Windows Defender firewall or your third-party antivirus firewall and ensure that Rockstar services, launcher and any related social club executables are explicitly allowed through temporarily disabling your firewall to test. If the error resolves, can help diagnose a firewall-related block, but always re-enable it for security afterwards.
Step: update or reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher. Content: an outdated or corrupted installation of the Rockstar Games Launcher is a common culprit for connection errors. First, open the Rockstar Games Launcher and allow it to check for it and install any pending updates. If the error persists or no updates are available, perform a clean reinstallation of the launcher. You can install the Rockstar Games Launcher completely from your system via the Add or Remove programs featured in Windows settings. After your installation, download the latest official version of the Rockstar Games Launcher from the official Rockstar Games website and proceed with a fresh installation. This ensures all launcher files are up to date and free from corruption.
Step 1. Clear launcher cache and verify game files. Content: corrupted cache data within the Rockstar Games Launcher can interfere with its operations, leading to errors like failed. To clear the cache, navigate to your username documents, Rockstar Games Social Club, and delete the cache folder. Following this, utilize the launcher's built-in game file verification tool within the Rockstar Games Launcher. Look at Grand Theft Auto in your library, right-click on it or access its settings menu, open a cog icon, and select the option to verify integrity of game files. This process will scan your installation for any missing or corrupted files and automatically download and replace them, resolving potential game file inconsistencies.
Step: check Rockstar server status and contact support. Content: after attempting the previous troubleshooting steps, it is crucial to verify the operational status of Rockstar servers. Visit the official Rockstar Games service status page, typically found on their support website, to confirm that there are no online widespread outages affecting the online social club or the Rockstar Games Launcher. If the servers are reported as operational and error found continues, it indicates a localized issue that may require further assistance. In this scenario, compile details of the error message, your system specifications, and a list of all troubleshooting steps you have performed. Then contact Rockstar Games support directly through their official support portal for specialized assistance.